Hi guys, welcome to NareshIT. This is Subba Raju. In this video session series, you guys are getting Python libraries. A new environment I'm going to provide you guys in the name of libraries. Before I'm going to libraries in Python, there are the several topics existed like functions, modules, libraries, packages. First of all, let me explain what exactly the meaning of function, a module, a library, a package. Then we'll come down to what is a library, what kind of libraries existed in Python, and in that library, I am going to continue these video series with Numpy, numerical Python. So let me talk about functions. What is a function? Code reusability is called function. In any technology, in any programming language, function is nothing but reusability. Whatever the code we implemented, that we are using as many times as you required. So these functions, different categories existed. Try to follow my videos in Python. Right, the second one is module, is nothing but program reusability. Every saved file with .py extension is called a module. So every Python program is a module. Module is nothing but a kind of program reusing one program to another program. What is a library? It is a pre-designed by third-party companies or third-party vendors. But this is also a kind of reusability of the code. So same like module and library, there is no big difference. As per our business requirements, a module we are implementing to satisfy the client business. Same like that, to satisfy a few clients or number of clients, third party companies are developing modules are nothing but libraries. A library is nothing but reusable code. Nothing is there. In Python, there are the big list of libraries existed. So I made already here a Python library is a reusable chunk of code that you may want to include in your programs. A library is a reusable chunk of code. So that is a simplified definition here. And I said here a library is a collection of modules, maybe. So a library contains number of Python programs. So now I'll try to say another word, a package. What is a package? Package is a kind of reusable program or reusable modules. But in Python, package is nothing but a folder which contains underscore init underscore .py file where you are saving where the file existed, that folder or that directory we are calling as a package. But in any way, function, module, library, package, all these are same terminology synonyms or nothing but a code reusability. In that sequence I am going to share with you in this series Python libraries. Let me enter into a few libraries names and Numpy, numerical Python. So this is completely an excellent library for mathematics matrices. And there is another library, SciPy, is nothing but scientific Python. It is exclusively for linear algebra related calculations we can do here. And Pandas, it is one unbelievable library for data analysis, data manipulation and data visualization. These are the main features of Pandas. And Matplot library, it is another wonderful library for visualization in Python programming. In data science and machine learning environment, this is very frequently using library in our regular duties. So this is very simplified through a kind of plotting libraries. Next one, Beautiful Soup. It is really unbelievable parsing tool from XML and HTML data we are converting into a readable format. So unstructured data, it is converting into structured format. So without any delay, we'll try to observe what is Numpy, what exactly Numpy, numerical Python for matrices. So it is one of the best libraries from Python programming. So in this video series session, I am going to take you people in another level, I can say that. So now you people, what is Numpy? It's a kind of array. What is an array? Collection of similar data types. 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, n dimension. Maybe you people having idea in your high school days and your school days and your college days, matrices. Yeah, exactly. The matrices later we learned in our programming level arrays. Same arrays we are calling in our programming advanced level in numerical Python we are calling as something like Numpy y. So that is nothing but we are calling dimensions. So what these dimensions exactly, what kind of data we can able to store, that we'll see in upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching my video sessions. For more videos, please subscribe NareshIT channel.